Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with David and Alice. We're so happy you're here today for another English speaking and listening practice.
Hi, everyone. Today's topic is very exciting and current. We're going to help you talk about the 2026 FIFA World Cup in English.
That's right. Football, or soccer, is one of the most talked about topics around the world, especially during big tournaments.
You may want to talk about your favorite team, your predictions, the host countries, famous players, big goals, or the atmosphere of the stadiums.
And don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. We'll show you simple phrases and vocabulary to join any football conversation.
So let's start with the basics. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is hosted by Canada, Mexico, and the United States.
Hosting means organizing and providing the stadiums for the matches. Each host country has cities preparing for millions of fans.
And this is the first men's World Cup with 48 teams, which means more matches and more countries in the tournament.
You can start a conversation by asking someone, "Are you watching the World Cup this year?"
Or, which team are you supporting? That's a very common question.
And you can answer simply, "I'm supporting Brazil," "I'm cheering for Mexico," or "I just want to watch good matches."
Yes, sometimes you don't have a favorite team. You just enjoy the excitement, the goals, and the drama.
Let's talk about the vocabulary that will help you sound natural. First, host, tournament, supporter, prediction.
Host is the country or city organizing the event. Tournament is a competition with many teams. Supporter means a fan of a team. Prediction is what you think will happen.
Next, defense and attack. Defense is when players try to stop the other team from scoring. Attack is when players try to score.
Then we have atmosphere, referee, highlight, go far, and tense. Atmosphere is the mood at the stadium. Referee is the official controlling the game. Highlight is the most exciting moment. Go far means advancing deep in the tournament. Tense means full of nervous energy.
Simple examples. I like their attack, but their defense looks shaky.
Or, the atmosphere at the stadium was amazing. Even on TV, it felt electric.
Let's practice a short conversation. Are you ready?
Yes. Are you watching the World Cup this year?
Yes, I'm following it closely. Which team are you supporting?
I'm supporting Argentina, but I enjoy Spain as well.
Who do you think will win the tournament?
It's hard to say, but I think France and Argentina look strong.
What have you enjoyed most so far?
I really enjoyed the atmosphere and some of the surprise results.
Perfect. Now for people who aren't big football fans, you can be honest.
I don't follow football all year, but I enjoy the World Cup.
Or, I'm not an expert, but I like the excitement of the tournament. Simple honesty works.
Also, you can talk about where you watch. I watch at home, with friends, in sports bars, or I watch highlights if I miss the live match.
Highlights are the most important moments shown in a short video.
Let's give some simple opinion phrases you can use. I think they'll reach the quarterfinals. I have a feeling this team will surprise people. Or, I'm not sure they'll go very far.
Another useful phrase is dark horse. A dark horse is a team that is unexpected to do well, but may perform strongly.
Yes, for example, my dark horse is Canada because they could surprise everyone.
Let's practice a full sentence. I like this team's attack, but I'm not sure about their defense. Their defense looks shaky, but their attack is fast and creative.
Before a match, you can say, "Are you watching tonight?" Or, "Who do you think will win?"
During a match, what a goal! That was close. The referee is busy tonight.
After a match, they deserved the win. It was frustrating because they wasted too many chances.
Chances are opportunities to score. If they have 5 shots and no goals, they wasted chances.
Emotions are important too. I'm excited, nervous, hopeful, frustrated, or I can't believe they lost.
Finally, you can talk about your favorite players. My favorite player is Mbappe because he's quick and exciting to watch.
Or, I like Messi because he stays calm on the ball and makes smart decisions.
And about predictions, I think France will go far. Or, I have a feeling Mexico will surprise people.
Now, let's practice a short sample conversation.
Are you watching the World Cup this year?
Yes, I've been following it closely.
Which team are you supporting?
Argentina, but I enjoy Spain as well.
Who do you think will win the tournament?
It's hard to say, but I think France and Argentina look strong.
What have you enjoyed most so far?
The atmosphere and some of the surprise results.
Perfect. And remember, simple sentences, clear opinions, and your own experiences are enough to join a conversation.
We want to hear from you. Which team are you supporting in the 2026 World Cup and why? Write a short answer in English in the comments. For example, I'm supporting Brazil because they play fast football, or I'm supporting my home country because I like the players.
Thank you for joining us today. Remember, you don't need perfect football knowledge to speak English confidently.
Just simple words, short opinions, and real examples.
Practice makes perfect. Keep learning, keep talking, and keep enjoying the World Cup.
See you next time on Learn English with David and Alice.
Goodbye, everyone.